Welcome back to the Rose YouTube channel. Today we're going to be replacing a window motor on a Porsche 993. Gratefully, this membrane is in good condition. It's rather new, but normally they're in quite poor condition, need replacing, but we'll be able to reuse this one. What we're going to do now is just release these 2, 4, and 6 bolts. Okay, if you have a look over here, this is the runner for the window. What we've got to do now is get this arm out of the runner in order for the mechanism to be able to drop down, for us to pull it out, and then we can swap the motor over. Okay. So what we're doing here is we're releasing this door handle mechanism, because it happens to get into the way when you're trying to get the window mechanism out. And over here, you've got your motor. We've got 1, 2, and then 3 screws just up here. We're going to remove the 3 screws, and then we'll be able to swap the motor over.
Can I walk? No, you can use the gun.
There you go. Right, so we're just about to fit the window motor. As you can see, this is a no-name brand. It'll probably do the trick just as good as any other. But we tend to use Bosch products ourselves, but the customer has specifically asked for this one, as it's literally a third of the price. This bracket goes on the top with the top screw in this location. Don't forget about putting this metal bracket on.
Come on.
Right, so everything is back in place. What we're going to do is now put the membrane on. So what we do is we use a heat gun just to warm it up slightly, just to stick it back. So we're all back together now. We've given everything a good clean, because that's what we do at La Rose. And we're just going to check it for the last time, just check everything's working. Lovely. Thank you for watching the La Rose YouTube channel. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button. Please subscribe, and any suggestions or comments, please post them below.